story.
Hi, I'm Marianne Lim, and this is a true story of my son, Sian Lim. It never occurred to me that he's going to be an actor someday, because as a kid, he was very shy. So I don't think he had the confidence for that. When he was growing up, he was sickly, so I always had to give him a lot of food, and that made him fat. When he started to be in middle school, his PE teachers told him he had to lose weight. He went into track and field, basketball, swimming. Girls started to call. When he entered showbiz, he started to earn better, and he can buy things he wants. Financially, he's more independent. He spoils me. He gives me a lot of expensive things like bags, jewelry, shoes. I always tell him, you don't need to buy expensive things for me kasi hindi naman ako mahilig sa mga mahal na gamit. Now that he's busy, he still has time to go to church. And he has time with me, like we have lunch somewhere. Yun pala, para sa kanya, lunch means going to Tagaytay, having lunch. It's very sweet. Sian still lives with me. That's how I prefer it. I don't think he's moving elsewhere. Not in the near future. Maybe when he gets married. Si Sian, kung magmahal siya, he's very thoughtful. He loves to shower. Like kung sa akin, he gives me a lot of gifts. So, I'm very sure ganun din siya. Ay, ayoko sabihin. The mere fact that I have him for my son, I'm very thankful. His character is very humble. He's funny. And he's forgiving. When I talk to him, he doesn't talk back. I can still manage to give him some lectures. I can still scold him. And he's still the same nice little kid I used to have. Everybody knows naman I'm divorced. Ganon. Every time I have problems, knowing that he's there, even if I don't get the best solution to my problems, knowing that I have a son who's healthy, who's really nice, obedient, I feel like I emerge like a winner. Baliwala yung challenges na yan. To all of Sian's fans, maraming salamat sa continued support, and I know you have unconditional love and support for him. Right now, I only have one child, but I feel like I have thousands of children. It's because you're here, and I hope you guys don't change. Hi, Sian. If there's one thing in this world that I have to be thankful for, it's having you for my son. I'm so proud of you. I hope you have more blessings. All I want for you is to be happy.
Welcome back to the Buzz, Sian Lim, and welcome to Celebrity True Story.
Ganun pala yun.
How does it feel hearing yung words of love and support galing sa mami mo?
Nagulat ako kasi si Mom, she's a very shy person. I know that she's very, she doesn't get, hindi siya masyadong ma-interview na tao like, and she said a lot. So, and thank you, Mom. And I really love you. You know that. I love you, Mom. Sobra.
That's very nice. At alam ko talaga, iba talaga yung pinagdaanan mo with your mom because at the same time, siya yung naging nanay at tatay para sa'yo. Growing up, she was always there. Now, Sian, isa ka sa pinaka-hottest young celebrities ngayon. Kaya syempre, hindi rin natin may iwasan yung mga malink ka rin sa isa sa mga hottest stars din natin. And of course, that is Kim Chiu. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, balikan muna natin si Mommy Marianne. How much of who you are today, yung pagiging idolo ng kabataan, yung pagiging gentleman mo, your kindness, dahil sa mami mo?
Well, siguro it starts with being a really sensitive person. Kasi my mom, she always told me na to be very polite, palaging may po at opo, palaging to be really sensitive with emotions. Be careful na hindi ka makakasakit ng ibang tao. Yung gano'n. Parang, if you say something, be sure na sa paligid mo walang masasaktan. And when you talk to someone, you keep your head, when you're being, pag kinakausap ka na matanda, you keep your head down.
Oo,
Yung
ganun, respect.
Yeah, for respect. The old-fashioned way. Ganun ang mom ko. And, which, when I entered showbiz, medyo
Ano sabi
nagulat
niya?
yung mga tao kasi bakit ka tahimik? Why are you so parang in a shell,
Yes,
parang you only
yes.
talk when you're spoken to, parang ganun. So
Oo.
parang medyo na-shock yung iba, but it's yun nga, turo ng mom ko
Because of that.
to be more sensitive nga sa mga pakiramdam ng tao. Just to be, it's for respect.
So how has she inspired you through the years? Sian.
She inspired me music-wise. She inspired me. She's my piano teacher. She's my piano teacher from the beginning, and through music, sabi niya sa akin, if you're sad, if you're lonely, if you're bothered in any way,
Music ang
you
kailangan
release
balikan.
it sa music kasi that's what she did, and hopefully, yeah, that's what she advised. Yun ang advice niya sa akin.
Now, because of your closeness, Sian, are you overprotective sa mami mo? Pinapayagan mo ba siya mag-date? Because
Seloso
literally
kasi ako.
kayong dalawa lang talaga eh.
Yeah, seloso kasi akong tao. In general, seloso
In
akong
all
tao.
situations,
In
kahit sa
all-
love life, seloso ka?
In all, sa lahat, like with my mom, sa mami ko, gustong-gusto ko, pag makikita kong binibigyan niya ng attention yung ibang tao, parang, ma'am, nandito ako. Parang ganun.
oo.
Maski even sa handler ko, sa RM ko, pag ibang pinopokus nila, nandito naman ako, bakit hindi niyo ako napapansin? May mga ganun.
So pagdating naman sa love life, I mean, do you tell your mom about when you're in love? And does she tell you like the next time you fall in love, dapat maging ganito yung babae?
The thing is, hindi ko na kailangan siyang sabihan ng, although I do tell her, sinasabi ko sa kanya lahat. But
Okay.
hindi ko na siya kailangan sabihan ng kahit ano dahil alam niya eh.
Na?
Alam niya ang lahat ng nararamdaman ko. Lahat
Kay?
no, alam niya ang lahat ng nararamdaman ko towards work, towards anything.
Oh, sige, let's be specific. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan ng sarili ko, ha? Anong sabi naman niya about Kim Chu?
Ayun. Ang sabi niya, Kim Chu is a really nice girl. She's beautiful. She looks amazing.
And agree ako dyan kasi Kim Chu is every mother's dream for a son. At, di ba sinabi ng mami mo, pag in love si Sian, you like to shower her with gifts. And we all know that you shower Kim with all these gifts, di ba? Sabi nga ni Maha Salvador, para ka daw may-ari ng flower shop kasi ang hilig mo daw magbigay ng bulaklak sa kanya araw-araw. Kaya ang tanong, Sian, kamusta naman ang panliligaw mo kay Kim? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being kayo na, nasaan kayo ni Kim ngayon?
Yung mga regalo, yung mga it's more of showing my appreciation towards a really special and amazing person katulad niya, 'di ba? Syempre, pag nakita ako ng isang tao na ganun, syempre, 'di ba? You want to show her that you care.
Yes. And you care.
And I care.
Yes. All right. Okay, wala naman sa love life. Pag-usapan naman natin na 10cc yan. Ang movie mong The Reunion, mukhang interesting ang movie nito. This is your second movie with Star Cinema. It's a big, big movie. You have a big cast. What makes this movie different?
Ito po ang barkada movie ng taon na to. Sobrang saya. It's inspired by the E-Heads songs. So we're really thankful din sa E-Heads na they let us use their songs,
Yes.
diba? Kasi yung mga eksena dito talagang masasabi ng mga tao pag napanood nila parang, uy, bagay talaga yan dun sa kanta na kinanta ng E-Heads.
At alam ko, very particular din sila with people using their songs. Kaya that's a very big honor para sa inyo.
It's a huge
lahat,
honor,
hindi
yes.
ba? And I know makaka-relate din ng mga teenagers dito. Is that correct?
Yes, kasi parang pag pinanood kasi nila to, masasabi nila, uy, ako yan nung bata, nung high school days.
Oo.
Ako yan nangyari sa akin yan eh. Pinagdaanan ko yan. I can relate. Ako yan. Ako si Wax. Ako si Bogs. Ako si Lloyd. Ako si Pat. Ganon.
But is this a musical or not a musical?
It's not a musical. It's inspired by the E-Heads song.
Okay, so if there's one E-Head song that would best describe Sian Lim right now, what would that be?
Para sa akin, malaking impact ang kanta nilang Huling El Bimbo. Maybe-
Because?
Because,
Bakit huling El Bimbo?
not so much hindi masyado, I don't know, kasi pag naririnig ko yung soundtrack doon talagang iba yung tibok ng puso eh. Iba ang pagtibok ng puso pag naririnig ko.
Para kanino kaya yun? Alright, Sian, of course, invite them to watch the reunion.
Ayan, the reunion po, malapit na August 14 po ang premiere and August 15 po ang showing. Tuesday sa SM Mega Mall in all theaters nationwide. And please buy the reunion album. Nandyan po yung mga paborito nating e-head song. Siyempre, kasama na rin ang album.
Oh, speaking of album, alam mo ba yung album ni Sian na gold na? So congratulations!
Yay! Yeah, so please support the Sochi album and the reunion album. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta, maraming salamat po. And if you buy the reunion album, may chance kayong manalo ng brand new car.
Oh,
Yes,
oh, talaga?
brand new car.
At kaya bumili na kayo.
Log on lang sa Facebook ng Star Records Plus Star Studio. Bili rin kayo ng Star Studio dahil it features behind the scenes footage ng movie na.
At saka mga
the
gwapo,
reunion.
hindi ba?
Yes, so please grab a copy and please support. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. Mint, thank you so much.
Alright, okay. And of course, before we go, konting sample lang ng kanta.
So it's you I've been waiting for so long.
And who do you dedicate that to?
To this special someone.
Oy!
This special someone.
Alright, okay. Alam ko kung sino yon. Alright, maraming salamat Sian. Kaya mga kapamilya, nagpapasalamat din ako kay Pam Quinones, RB Chanco, Leo Criagola, Henry Calayag. And mga kaibigan, mark your calendars po sa August 15, the movie The Reunion, brought to you by Star Cinema. Alright?
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Sana supportahan niyo po tong movie namin. Isang magiging sobrang saya at sobrang para sa inyo to. Maraming salamat.
Alright, at ito po ang Celebrity True Stories mula kay Sian Lim. Huwag po kayo alis, magbabalik pa po ang
The Buzz!